Hey guys, Brandon here. Made some progress on ToyBox, so I'm just showing you. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you might notice is the music. This is made by Chris. He's done a opening soundtrack and a loopable soundtrack for this exact sound. So this means you'll have something to listen to while you're roaming around. So basically the goal of this project is to essentially have an area that people can test features in. So say you're a programmer and you want to, I don't know, have a climbing system. You can get straight in and have like a Fortnite build system where you can clamp different parts together and just test it, save it, and all that sort of stuff. But at the moment, I'll just go over what was implemented today, and yeah, I'll explain what it does. So basically, we've done obviously the floor, the grid, the skybox, which is a giant sphere. These actually aren't a texture. This was actually made in engine, just random generation using noise and stuff like that. The outer line there is also part of that skybox, but it's just applying to the edge. As you get closer, it lifts up, but we're not going to be allowing people to get that far out anyway. So the cool thing that I wanted to show you today was we have console commands. Just let me make this larger. There we go. So you can access this with the T for talk, or //, and then you put the command in. And check this out. See on the I can't really see it. It's on a line, but if I look up here, as I type something in, if I go /C, it gives you a suggestion of what you might be looking for on the right there, bottom right. See suggestions, so spawn. We'll start with this. So you can go, for instance, walk speed. Obviously to the right updates you on what you might be trying to spell if you don't know a command. So the walk speed can go up in 10 increments as of what I've done so far. So let's just straight do 10. So I've basically set the player's actual speed to be zoomy, like this, right? You can actually change it to whatever you want, as long as it's within the 10. So I'm going to set it back to normal, and obviously it's back to normal. Now this is really cool. So say you're testing out some features in your game, like physics or something dropping, or you wanted to speed everything up in the scene. I added a world speed function. This allows you to do something similar, so from 1 to 10, and if we go straight to 10, if you notice, the whole world's actually sped up, as you can tell by the animation. So you can actually have, like, say if you had water simulation or something like that, you could use this. So we'll go back to world speed 1. So instead of exiting the level and having to go through the settings and do it through Unreal, I'm going to enable every single feature that I add to this chat command. Soon there will be a box to the left here that will have color-coded commands, so the commands will be colored and then have a description, and there'll be different pages that you can access. Yeah, so that'll be really sick. Another cool thing that I've got is I like this. So if you go /return 0, it'll bring the character. Wrong way. It'll bring the character back to origin 0. Do that again. See if you can see it better. See? Another cool thing that you can do, that one is for, like, if you've wandered off way too far and you can't find your way, it'll bring you all the way back to the start. This one's if you want to go back to the start but you don't want to lose your position. So just say you're out in the open over there and you've built something, but you don't want to lose it. So you can actually go up to the thing you've built and you can actually set spawn. So you can set your current coordinates, right? So you go over here, and I can just go /spawn. So there's two types of returning to spawn, so it's brought me back over here. So yeah, that's the start of it. The next update, I'm going to be adding the console with the colors to explain the console commands better, so you can understand what they exactly are without having to go through a readme file. The other thing I'm going to be adding is a build system. It will be very similar to like Forge mode from Halo Cross sort of Fortnite. I'll be adding modular pieces, doors, walls, crates and stuff like that, and you can basically scroll through and just add what you need and build. It'll have like UI and all that sort of stuff. You'll have access to third and first person views with the weapon, and you'll be able to like get rid of this weapon and just walk around as a dude if you don't want to use a weapon. What else? I've just got a ton of plans. I just can't really remember off the top of my head now. Funny thing. Yeah, explosions, FX. I'll be doing custom animations for this exact gun in the hand here, so I won't be making what's the word I'm looking for? I won't be making a custom gun. It'll be using this exact Unreal gun, but it'll have like a magazine and everything, so that'll be really cool. So it's kind of like using Unreal's roots as the source, which will be really neat because it's a prototype sort of type thing for testing and, you know, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'll be Monday. So yeah, Monday American Monday. So it'll be Tuesday Australian. We'll be continuing work on this, and I'll have some updates for you. Look forward to that. All right, see you guys later.